Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Moneyfarm investment portfolios. Moneyfarm investment portfolios offers automated investment management services designed for individuals looking to build a diversified portfolio. Its main purpose is to simplify investing, allowing users to allocate funds across different asset classes based on their risk tolerance and financial goals. Key features likely include automated rebalancing, portfolio diversification across various asset classes, and potentially access to financial advisors. Their website provides details on specific investment options and fees. Moneyfarm positions itself as a convenient and accessible platform for investors of all levels. They emphasize ease of use and transparent pricing, although specific details on fees are best found on their website. They likely use algorithms and data-driven strategies for portfolio management. Availability is likely global, but specific regions are best checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Moneyfarm investment portfolios. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was quick and intuitive, guiding me through a questionnaire to determine my risk profile. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. I particularly appreciated the clear dashboard displaying my portfolio's performance, asset allocation, and overall value. I found the process of adjusting my investment strategy to be simple and easily understood. The platform's performance has been consistently reliable, with updates reflecting market changes accurately and promptly. I had a quick question about tax implications, and their support responded within 2 days via email, a reasonable response time. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing me to easily monitor my investments. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated rebalancing, which saved me considerable time and effort. One minor drawback was the limited customization options available for individual asset allocation. I would have liked a little more granular control. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Moneyfarm. It's a user-friendly platform that simplifies the investment process, making it accessible to beginners while still offering sufficient features for more experienced investors. That's my overview of Moneyfarm investment portfolios. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.